Ratchaphruek Garden celebrates 15 years of biodiversity and sustainability. Chiang Mai's Ratchaphruek Garden marks its 15th anniversary as a world-class center for nature education. Recognized as the third most biodiverse botanical collection globally with over 23,000 plant species, the garden is advancing toward carbon neutrality by 2027 through clean energy, waste reduction, and carbon sequestration projects. Upcoming highlights in 2025: Orchid Cave, 3D art and glowing caves. Bug World, new live insect exhibits. Skywalk, 360 degrees nature views. Desert Plants, 500+ rare succulents. Bhutan Garden, authentic Bhutanese architecture. Seasonal flowers, golden shower, pink cassia, tulips, and air-purifying plants. Open daily, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.